first meeting with you? How was the first meeting with you? Oh, kasi ang tagal niyo ng post up eh.
Yeah, everybody saw that. She was so nice. She actually told me how happy she is with the Filipino people, how supportive they are. We talked about, how happy she is that I'm there and how she see that how humble I was. Kaya niya siguro nasabi ako very humble person. Sometimes being humble can be very powerful too.
How's your ate?
Oh, I love her. I messaged her before I flew into the Philippines. And then she told me to, good luck. She's so excited for me. She's gonna be coming soon in the Philippines. We don't know yet, so abangan nyo. We might, have a work here. Honestly, Mexico and Philippines, parang isa lang yung culture. Pero yung pagkain, iba talaga yung pagkain. The weather is pretty chilly as well. It was hard for me on the first few days kasi I had antibiotics, so it was hard for me to breathe. But, we got used to it later on kasi we were always outside the hotel. We were always doing our activities outside.
Chelsea, anong na-miss mong food sa Mexico?
Tapos, guacamole. All of the other girls were, I don't know if they were all given the chance to try it, pero minsan nilalabas nila kami ng organization to go to restaurants, and we were able to try the Mexican food, so that was
Pero isa ba sa destination yung Philippines sa mga continental queens?
I'm sorry?
Isang destination din ba yung Philippines sa mga continental queens?
We don't know the details yet, but I know that of course the ministers are very para we can explore the country that we have here in the Philippines. She will be visiting the show at the farm. So, yeah.
Oo nga, para maturo mo rin si Miss Peru, di ba? We look forward to that. So,
Chelsea,
how do you